Hello, this is Darin Martineau with ProMagicArt.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you new oil and water. I've created many oil and waters, one of my favorite plots. It's Ed Marlowe plot, and this is my new oil and water. It's really incredible. Okay, so I have there's 2, 3, 4 red cards, okay, which we're going to use in a moment here, and we have 4 black cards. Okay, now this is a classic of magic. Okay. Classic and magic. We're going to set these down, and we're going to mix the cards. Oil and water does not mix, but we're going to mix it. See, there's a oil card, black, with a red card. Okay. Oil, black, red. Black, red, black, and red. Now, oil and water does not mix. Okay. Everybody knows that it does not mix, but you can see they are mixed here. There's black, there's red, there's black, there's red, and there's black. They're all mixed up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to snap my fingers, a little bit of magic here, and you're going to see that all the reds have unmixed magically. Okay. There's the red cards and all the blacks over here. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll do that again. Okay, we will take the black cards. We'll take 1 black card and 1 red. Okay, 1 black card, 1 red. 1 black card, 1 red. Okay. 1 black card and 1 red. Now, we square them all up. The cards are mixed like this, and of course, you can see that they really are mixed. Okay, you can see that they really are mixed. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and unmix them, obviously. But what I'll do is I'll set half the packet down there, so we can see we have half the cards, and this half really is legitimately mixed with red, black, red, black. You can see they're mixed. Now this is absolutely impossible what I'm going to do here, so watch. I snap the fingers and we get all the black cards disappear. Look, there's the red cards. Okay. Now if we're playing cards, you never want to play cards with a magician, and I'll show you why. Because see, I have black cards, but these are blacks in a royal flush. There's 10, there's jack, there's queen of spades, king of spades, ace of spades, a royal flush. Thank you very much.